So sometimes when you're out installing, some days you might have a doctor's appointment at 1 o'clock and you can't do all the installs that day. Well, we have a little trick. You can take the flyers off of the doors and just put them in order by putting them behind each other so that when you go back to the area, they are in order and you can make the most out of your time. And then you can also put them into your maps by typing in the address. And I'm just going to randomly pull up one. Oh, that's already saved. Okay. So, and then you push the save button. And then I have a little spot I call stray horas. And you push that and put a little check mark. And then you can add any notes like they prepaid, they have a U of U, and then you push done. After you do that, it pins them like these two right here, and then they'll all be in order for you. So you go to one, and then you go to the next, and the maps will actually help do that. And then when you want to remove one, you just go back to the list, you make sure everything is gone here, you go to saved, you go to straight horas, and then you just push this 3-dot button and you push remove place. And you just remove them as you go. And this is, I also use this for people who call and are late and want to get their order done.